I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the ground. When I get like this, I can't be around. I'm too little to dim down a notch. Cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
Hey y'all, so we just made it to the gate. What's today? It's Thursday. Happy Thursday. What zone are we? Huh? What zone are we? Y'all, I couldn't record because we got at the airport right when our flight about to leave. But so I'm not gonna talk to y'all long. I just wanted to update y'all and yeah, tell y'all what's tea. And we about to get on a plane. It's a short flight. I think it's like an hour or two, maybe 2 hours and a half.
Might be 3.
Zone 3. Yeah. Yeah, so we made it right here when it's about to board. So I'm gonna see y'all in the video.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling me. And I'll be down now, anytime you call me. I'll be down, I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly with the fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms, me and love me in life. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now.
Now, if something happens to you, they're going to identify immediately the taxi driver who was taking you to the place. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And besides that, I have to be fine with you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So with us, you're better, safer.
I appreciate
It's
it.
that way.
What's your name?
Christian.
Nice to meet you, Christian. I'm Asia.
Asian.
Yeah, Asia.
Asian.
Yeah. That son don't play. Okay, y'all, so
I need a t-shirt. Oh, I want something.
we just stop at like this local place because I'm trying to get some authentic Dominican food. What's tea? I want some chicken and some rice and some everything. Yeah, so we're just gonna see what it's talking about. Oh my god, I see the water from here. It is so blue and so pretty and so clear. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all before. Oh, it's so nice. Look at the water, y'all. That is so beautiful. I'm coming. Look at the water. I'm finna be in that water. But right now we're finna eat. So, BRB.
On you guys. She got her chicken.
La chuleta con papa. Y la yuca.
Fries.
¿De qué dulce? Del que tiene canela. Un servicio.
Maybe this one.
El servicio, ¿cuántos plátanos trae?
I also like this one.
What's in this one?
Ponle.
What's the
Ponle
difference?
dos
This is
plátanos.
mix. You know, the
Aquí.
rice.
La berenjena.
No nuts, right?
Huh?
No peanuts, no nothing?
Tres berenjenas.
Carrot.
Y
And
aguacate.
like some kind of green salads, you know, something like that. I just will take this one, just in case, you know, because I don't know all the ingredients here. You know?
Okay, yeah.
I can eat this one. No matter to me.
I want peas and rice.
This one, you want this one? Oh, they had oxtails, Mom? Oh, we can get his. My camera for foggy.
Touch right here with the breast. Yes, okay. Push.
Thank you.
Is this your birthday or what?
Yeah, mommy.
Is your birthday?
Oh, it's my birthday.
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you. It was
Oh, yeah.
the week last week.
That way,
Yeah.
okay.
Hey y'all. So just got in the room, and I'm not gonna talk during this hotel room. I'm just gonna give the BTS of it. And oh yeah, I gotta show y'all. They got my mommy. I told them it was my mommy's birthday. Girl. And look how they did. It was so cute. It's like a little happy birthday cake. Yes. They gave her some red wine. Yes. But yeah, we've been traveling all day, and we are just now getting to the room. So before we get into anything, let's get into this room.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one flying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you planning to leave and I'm the main one flying? Just tryna be you everything. Say you want right. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one flying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you planning to leave and I'm the main one flying?
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking now here for me, I got it. I've been scheming, do it. Hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. So the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Auntie! What's tea? Bitch, you think me and they friends out the country doing that one too? I was in the bathroom. Nah, I'm trying to pee you out here embarrassing us. Cheers!
Cheers. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday to the crowd.
Yes, guys. The girls. You almost was a twin Taurus.
Almost.
Almost.
I love Gemini. I love Taurus too, but Gemini is that much.
Oh, but them split personality.
It do go down good.
I told you.
It's smooth.
It's way different from the state. That's way different.
Yeah, they so small you can't see
Them
them.
small ones.
They like mosquitoes?
Yeah, that's what it is. They so small you
Oh,
can't see them.
no.
And did they try to give y'all a mama
Look, a tea? What's the mama wanna?
It's they drink. It's like,
A tea.
yeah, they gave you tea.
Yeah.
It's sweet. It's
Yeah.
like
It was good.
It tastes like they mama wanted.
I ain't never had a mama wanna.
Yeah. It's like they rum. It's
We
like
was gonna get some.
Hey y'all, so I'm rushing out the door right now, but I did a get ready with me on TikTok. I got on this 2-piece from Pretty Little Thing. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you follow me on TikTok so you can get the scoop on the outfit details. But yeah, it's really super cute. I'm gonna talk to y'all while I'm leaving out because vlog, of course, get the BTS, but my mama had to sew up my top and bottom because y'all, it was too big. It was the last size in stock. It was a size 12, and I bought it because it was so cute. I'm like, mama, can you just sew it up on the side? You press the button? Sew it up on the side so I can still wear it. And yeah, it's giving. Let me show y'all in here. Everywhere the mirror is foggy.
It's hot.
I know. But super cute. And yeah.
Put on the 1 or 0.
The lobby 0. Which one the lobby 0? Yeah.
Why you not stop my food, dog? Me no matter about you, I'm not care about. Can't talk in my face. Say them run place, I run them run round that. Man a action back, some boy only full of chat. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, action fi back. Enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up, enough of them stairs up. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Come shaking and come to make the skull upset. Run out, no what done say. Back of the class, man on a subject. England girl in all the dream, I want rough sex. She pop the money hard, but you no drunk yet. Drift the phone hard and make she get upset. You want money on the subject. You want money on the subject. Grab card, bad dad, spin home, love fraud.
Ça va bien.
Wah wah wah. Say wah wah wah. Say wah wah wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wah wah wah. Say wah 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 comunitario.
Wah, wah, wah.
Eso, machuque, eso.
It's good. That's what it is. How you know? You can tell?
When they're rocking, I'm scared, man.
I don't know if I can eat this. It's good that they give it to you.
I'm scared, Mike.
Try it. One time for the Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
You been here before?
Oh, that's my first time to be here.
Make memories. What's that on top? That was good.
Here's your
You put no sauce on it?
Here's your
I don't do salt.
It wasn't bad, huh?
Is this the spicy stuff on top?
I had my first.
Really? You never had
I was always afraid to eat it.
Y'all, Mama had her first sushi.
Because I was scared. It was always shrimp or something.
That's so cool.
Even though I don't like tofu.
I know, right? Ooh, what's this? Y'all, I love food. I'm having a ball.
Come on, stop.
One there. Yeah.
Wah 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 comunitario.
Wah, 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 momentero.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a fuck if I not be a bad. Everywhere me try, come me know the enemy, them a free, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a sneak, we but then we mean bloody crime scene, calamity. And so we shoot out trains, we got another cheat. We come have a experience, no competition. I better fuck up in that. never know. Hey, love you, girl. Do you feel the same? I don't wanna play games. No games. You're the only one that can count my play. Baby, just play it straight. No games.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, it's fine. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, it's fine. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. At you see stars. At you elevate. At you meet God. 'Cause I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Good morning, y'all. Last night got a little bit too litty, so I couldn't go for breakfast, so we got room service. Eggs, bacon, hash browns, and fruit. The fruit's still over there, and orange juice, and it's pretty good. I just need some syrup. Yeah. I was supposed to come and chill. Y'all want to go bust, club, another club, another club. Now I can't make it to breakfast. Now I'm waking up still lit. Clothes still on. Robe on. I don't know. I came out here and then immediately my camera. Hey y'all. So I'm not gonna lie. I've been gone for how long? I think this is like day 3. My friend Lynn just left this morning, but we still here for a couple more days. So last night we just did like a big going away thing. So we just got real turned. We was off a bottle of Dawn Rep, and so I was paying for it this morning. Y'all, I was so sick. Like, what? My mama just kept giving me stuff. I just kept taking it because my stomach, my stomach done for. I don't even want nothing, no more to drink. But I just filmed me a get ready with me so I could post on TikTok. Come on, content. I'm not gonna lie, the content has been eating down, period. So yeah, I got on this pink bathing suit from Target and this white ruffle skirt from Amazon, and we're supposed to go to the beach in a pool, but it looks like it's gonna rain bad. I'm chilling posted up. But yeah, sky is giving finna fall through. I hate it's like that. I don't know why it's like that. It's been raining like every day, honestly. I forgot to bring y'all last night. We went to dinner. I had some steak, bomb AF, and a Caesar salad. It was really good. And yeah, we're getting out kind of late today because I told y'all I was sick. Like, I was not even. Oh, and we went to a beach party last night. I forgot to show y'all. It lasted only for like a couple hours. And then after that, we just chilled in like this little game part. They got like a little game area. And we just was drinking, drinking, shot, another shot, another shot, another shot. You always want to do baddie shot o'clock. So yeah. Anywho, I'm trying to get me, I don't know where the sun is. I'm trying to get me a real good tan, and it's like not giving that. Like, where's the sun?
Because them know steadily, heavily. I'm happy, I know.
You can eat it.
It's a big vibe, because them know. Yeah, would you call? How can you get on? Bad bitches want to wall a sherry one. Turn me up, we are carry on. Shake your caravan for the Don Corleone. What the fuck? Get it on the floor. I can never fall. RIP to 44. I'm trading all of my sorrow now for my peace. I'm glad I made it, had a belly of the beast. From the ground up, niggas stand up. See the fandom, we know they do random. But we then shine down, and then it never done. I'm telling y'all, better get the memorandum.
Can I get the grilled fish of the day with a brownie? And can I also get ceviche? I am burnt out, okay? I can't even make it to dinner, so I gotta order room service because... So at the pool, I didn't even drink a lot. Like, I just came straight from the pool. I stayed in the pool a couple hours, and then I came straight to the pool. From the pool to my room, and I just slept. And it's like 9 o'clock. Water, feed me water, and that's it, period. I can't. Stomach through. Purr. Let's get the bill. Purr. Mmm. Hey y'all, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we leave tomorrow, but today we are going to do the ATVs. But right now we're getting something to eat. I ordered some chicken wings and some nachos, and I'm drinking a green tea. I wasn't trying to get nothing too heavy because my stomach messed up, y'all. I told y'all, I don't know, but I don't know if I got alcohol poisoning. My stomach is through. So I'm really not trying to eat too much. I don't think I'm gonna drink no more. I'm burnt out. It's 12:48 right now. We go meet up at the front to go ATVing. I'm really excited because I haven't been ATVing in a while. Like, it's been raining the whole time we've been here. That's the only thing about DR. I guess these are like the rainy months. It's rainy season right now. So, but the good thing is it's not like pure thunderstorms, like all the extra. It's just like the drizzle and then it leaves and come back. So yeah, I got on my bathing suit under my pink. I got this pink little romper thing on. I got it from Amazon. Excursion day. Period. I'm gonna be sad we're leaving. I don't wanna go. But it's been a ball. I would definitely come back, honestly.
Ketchup? Ketchup, bueno, ketchup.
Ketchup. It's so good. These like smoked wings. It's so good.
Oh, you on the phone?
So this the one I really wanted. Everybody else got the 2-seater. I didn't want the 2-seater. I wanted to bring the bikes out, but my mama gonna be in control of the camera. So if she can't get us, that's her fault. But we about to go.
Floss like a bunch of young black millionaires, making you run. Me and my done stacking my ones. Floss a little, invest up in the mutual fund. Blowing the horn, a sense of every day I was born. Never dream I see a nigga landscaping my lawn. Dangerous, my nigga should be accurate. Have to get the flow be so immaculate. Hey yo, watching my deal, sipping my mo, sipping it slow. Them pretty bitches saying hello. Anyway, go ahead and display your olive ole. Little honey dip whipping a little cabriolet. I don't mean to hold you up, but I got something to say. Swear to only give you hot shit every day. Afraid of us, you know this ain't a game to us. You strange to us, that's when we getting dangerous. Come on. This is serious. We could make you delirious. You should have a healthy fear of us. Cause too much of us is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My flip mode squad is dangerous. So dangerous, we so dangerous. My whole entire unit is dangerous.
So we just finished ATV riding. It was about 45 minutes. Fun. Everybody else is like dirty, muddy. And since I was on the high four-wheeler, I didn't really get that muddy. Period. That's the one I wanted anyway. I'm so glad I got it. I was like the only one who had one. So anyway, now I think we're going to like a cenote or something, where we jump in the water and we about to taste chocolate and coffee. Mama Juana. It's like a, I guess like a DR drink that they're famous for.
sé si me conocen. Yo soy famoso, Yo soy famoso. Si usted ve en televisión, me conocen a mí. Entonces, vamos a probar café arábica, la versión es Caturra. We're going to taste Arabica coffee and the version is Caturra. Y el chocolate que vamos a probar es procedente de la mazorca del cacao criollo. Deja coco that we're going to taste come from criollo cacao. Muy bien. Muy bien. Okay. Entonces, tenemos diferentes tipos de cacao aquí. We have different types. Tenemos el trinitario, forastero y criollo. Ahora, este es el criollo, es el mejor. This is the best cacao, the best cocoa bean. Es el mismo tipo que compra Hershey acá. Hershey, señores. It's the same type of cocoa that Hershey buys here. Este se reserva para los mejores chocolates. They reserve criollo cacao for their finest chocolate bars. Té de chocolate, chocolate tea. De las cáscaras de cacao, no se pierde esto. Té de chocolate, chocolate tea. Manteca de cacao, cocoa butter. El mejor producto para la piel. This is the best product for the skin. Mucho más. Cocoa butter is good for blemishes, pimples, acne, stretch marks, dry skin, dry lips is good for sunburns, wrinkles, scars. Todo. Aceite de coco virgen, virgin coconut oil. Para el pelo, for your hair. Vainillas, vanilla, para cocinar, for cooking. Blanca y negra, black and white, like Sammy Sosa. You know Sammy Sosa?
Oh, yeah.
Antes y después, before and after, yes. Y el vino de piña, pineapple wine. Piña y frutas, pineapple and fruits. Especial para las mujeres, special for women. Se la pone contenta, Y la Mama Juana, que es la bebida típica nuestra. This is our typical local drink. La Mama Juana para nosotros como decir tequila para México. Mama Juana, for us, it's like saying tequila to Mexico. Es algo muy, muy típico aquí. This is something very typical here. Caña en Puerto Rico. Pitorro para Puerto Rico. ¿Sí o no? It's Mama Juana, it's a combination of the 12 best local plants. Plantas locales, plantas medicinales, medicinal plants. Cura todo. It cures everything. Y es muy fácil de preparar. This is very simple to prepare. You drink 5 shots. Y esto it provokes Hakuna Matata Cuchi Cuchi Coco Bongo. Este es el rompecolchón. This is the bed breaker.
Don't mind me because I got on my towel because my hair wet. We sitting here in like this little, what is this, like a lobby place? Everybody just waiting around. We just tasted some hot chocolate, some chocolate tea, some chocolate coffee, and some Mama Juana shots. They live, breathe Mama Juana shots here. Like, that's their drink, like how tequila is to Mexico. Mama Juana here is their alcohol. And we jumped in the C-Note. It was so much fun. They was playing Sexy Red. Y'all know I love ghetto stuff. So we was like all in the water in the C-Note listening to Sexy Red, drinking Mama Juana shots. Like, please, I had a ball. Hey y'all. So we're back at the room from the ATVs. Tired isn't even the word, but I had so much fun. Even though it was raining, it wasn't, I was telling y'all, it wasn't like thunderstorm rain. It was just more like a drizzle rain, but like a heavy drizzle rain. So they still kept working in it. I think that's like a normal thing here, like random rain showers, because it's been raining the whole time we've been here. That's been the only bummer. But tonight is our last night. So the manager here, we met him through when my friend Lan was here, and her boyfriend, he was helping them out. So he said he was gonna do something special for us. So tonight is gonna be like a special dinner, he said, which is so sweet, for me and my mom. So we about to get ready for that. I already did my skincare, so I'm just gonna go in with e.l.f. primer. I just got everything I got from Walgreens, like right before I left, because I was out of makeup anyway. So we need to go makeup shopping one day when we get back. This was a much needed trip though. Like, I had fun, but DR won for sure. I still didn't really get a tan, so I'm still gonna mix these two a little bit. Y'all, I don't think I told y'all, but we was in the C-Note. Is this C-Note or C-Note? We was in the water in the cave. Well, I was, because my mama ain't get in. But we got down there, they was playing Sexy Red. And I love me a ghetto good time. So I'm down there. I'm looking for the like, period. And then they had shots. Hold on. Mama Wanda is like their drink here. It's good for your hoo-ha. Your hoo-ha-ha. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're slow. I don't have no powder or none of that, so I'm just gonna go in with my mascara and call it a day. Okay. Okay, face done. You see how we finesse that quick beat? Quick beat. Period. Now I'm about to go get dressed and I'll be back. Dressed, Jaded London, shoes, Amazon, jewelry, Amazon too, I think. But I'm gonna add some of my Tom Ford spray.
Mascara, foundation.
Period. All right, that's it from me. See y'all at dinner.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me.
Okay, y'all. So he got us in like this little private room. Period. In the wine cellar. And
Trying to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Turn the lights off in this place, and she shines just like a star. And I swear I know her face. I just don't know who you are. Turn the music up in here.
My hair keep falling. Okay.
How it is? Do you like it?
That is so good.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
You're welcome.
That is so good. I'm so sad we're leaving. We asked for a late checkout because our flight isn't until 3 a.m. So we asked for a late checkout and they said we can stay till 6. And then he was like, we could just be on the property, but he said he'll get us another room so that we can like wash and stuff before we leave, because we're 2 hours away from the airport and our flight leave at 3, so it was like basically a waste to pay for another day, wasting too much money. But I'm so sad, I don't want to leave. That's why I'm like, Mom, before we check out, we gotta do a last rendezvous of like being in the water, being in the pool, drinking our drink. Thank you, God, for all the blessings that you have given me. Yeah, I love it here. Dominican Republic. I'm like a fool. I speak Spanish now. Everything is everything. Period. Cheers.
These roads of flames are catching a fire. Showed you I love you, you called me a liar. Oh no, 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 no. Baby, tell me where you gone. I've been feeling for your love so long. We can praise God in the moonlight. Baby, if you with me, better do right. And I've been gone too long, and I'm hoping that you sing my song. I've been on this road for way too long. I've been hoping that we all get on. These roads of flames